1986 Chevrolet Camaro Iroc here at MGM Classic Cars for sale, guys. This is a clean Carfax, one owner certified car with 69,000 miles. This particular Iroc has the upgraded chrome factory wheels. This has the 5.0305 TPI fuel injected motor. Yes, I said that all in one breath. And the overdrive automatic transmission. This one is power steering, power brakes, and you'll see back here, look at these nice chrome wheels, guys. It's a four-wheel disc car. Look how clean that is. Super nice, lightly tinted back window, as I can see. No spider webs in the car, just a beautiful car all around, guys. One owner Iroc. Gray cloth, automatic trans, upgraded Kenwood radio, super clean inside, T-tops. As you can see there, look how clean that frame is. Beautiful car. You can check out more pictures at mgmclassiccars.com. Let's fire up this baby. I want you guys to hear it. Look how clean this interior is, guys. All stock interior. I don't see any rot. Look underneath these doors here. Look at that. Always garage kept. I'm really excited about this car. Look at that, 69,832 miles from the original owner. I asked what this was, and he said it was some lights at one point underneath the car, but he's got the red ones inside. You can remove that switch or just leave it. Got the built-in radar detector too. The Kenwood radio. Let's fire up this baby. Headlights. High beam. All the functions work here. Cruise control. Kenwood CD player. That's for the rear hatch. Power windows, power locks. Let this thing warm up a little bit. Sounds good, right? Yep, we're gonna go for a ride. All right, you got tilt wheel, overdrive trans. Okay, guys, we're gonna leave MGM Classic Cars right now. We're here at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101, where we have over 200 cars that we own, not consign. It makes a huge difference. Why? Because of the pricing. All the consignment cars are always jacked, man. They're always high priced. Customers, you know, they want all the money plus 20%. Well, it's not what I'm doing here. This one has also the overhead display. I didn't show you that in the video, but we do. That is built into the car here. Okay. All right. Turn signals function, horn functions. The wipers are getting stuck a little bit, but I will grease that up and fix it. Exhaust sounds really nice. Brakes feel good. It doesn't pull left or right, which is great. This 5.0 feels strong too, guys. I mean, listen, this is 45 miles an hour, and this thing is smooth. RPM works, all the gauges function. AC blows cold. This is a really nice car, guys. real good. I'm really proud to sell this car, really happy. Trans shift's excellent. That's 55 miles an hour. Not a rattle in the car. Man, it's so fun with these T-tops. Black glass T-tops in good condition with the T-top covers as well. Nice exterior paint, and the brakes. Here, look, I just slammed on the brakes and they feel great. So listen, if you need financing, it's not a problem. You need good credit. Okay, if your credit score is between 630 and 770, rates start at about 8.25%. Everything's based off your credit profile. We have low payments, long terms to fit your budget. After we run the credit and everything, we can fit everything into your budget. So go to mgmclassiccars.com and fill out the credit app there. For those of you who are 775 and higher, I have a no money down option. And if you're interested in that, call or text me at my number, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that program. We're going to head back to MGM Classic Cars right now. Like I said earlier, we have over 200 cars in stock that you guys can check out at the .com. We own all the vehicles. This thing handles real nice. Wow. I love this thing. We're going to get this thing up on the lift here. MGM Classic Cars is right here in this brown building in front of me with over 200 cars, guys. Go check them out. We're going to go to our service department at the end of the building to the right. I'm going to put this car up on the lift and show you guys how clean the underneath is. My number is 847-848-1850. You guys can call me or text me with your zip code, and I'll get you a quote delivered right to your driveway. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars.